What's going on, guys? It's Mr. DEBT Joe Lorick from the Money Etiquette Group here with another video about black-owned companies and their stocks. And today we're talking about a financial company as promised in my last video. The last video we went over Urban One in the radio media. We talked about how they're doing. We talked about investing in them. We talked about their finances. But today we're talking about Carver Bancorp. I'm talking about the bank with a financial institution that was started in 1948 in Harlem, New York. Okay, this is a company, if you haven't heard of them, this is a bank that's based in New York. They back, and again, Carver Bancorp backs Carver Federal Savings Banks, which has about 8 locations throughout New York City, about 3 ATMs. I think they have maybe 114 employees, maybe 120 by now. Again, this is a black-owned and operated company. They've had, I think, at least since 1948, maybe 8 presidents and CEOs, which 2 have been black women. And as of now, the president and CEO, I believe his name is Michael Pugh. Yeah, Michael Pugh is the current president and CEO. And again, this is a company that, if you know about Harlem, you know about the history of Harlem, you understand that this is a place where the bank was created that was a place that was really a sprawling place of black ingenuity, black business growth, and black communities. And apparently this institution, this financial institution, continues to invest in the black community through Harlem and all of their banks throughout New York City. Now, when we look at the finances, because we always want to get to the money, we have to look at where they've been compared to where they're going, and are they riding a trend versus are they going through something sustainable in terms of their growth and profits through investment. But before we go there, let's start with this basic. I forgot to put this out there. Carver's Bank stock, okay, their stock ticker is CARV. Again, their ticker is CARV. They're traded on NASDAQ. And right now they're going for about $8.71. They're up ever since really June, when there was a movement to invest in black businesses. We saw the Black Lives Matter movement. We see that more people are becoming black friendly, and a lot of people in the black community are becoming more conscious about where they invest their dollars. They've seen an uptick. They've seen an uptick, and then they've seen a severe drop, but they're still going up compared to the beginning of the year. But when you look at their finances, it also kind of points to the same direction. We see that in 2018, they had a positive cash flow of about $75.8 million, but in 2019, they had a negative cash flow of $103.3 million. But as of 2020, they're trending back towards a positive cash flow. And in fact, when you look at their numbers for this year, I believe they are sitting last quarter at a $4.03 million net profit, and $5.49 million in revenue, with $1.24 million in free cash, free cash flow. So we're talking about a bank that, in a financial institution that right now is sitting well, but if you look at the trend, they need sustained investment. They need more investment and more support to expand, to become something bigger than maybe a New York-based bank, to expand throughout New York, to be a part of more real estate deals, to be a part of more construction deals. They still need support, and today is a blackout day. This is a day that some people are choosing to support black businesses, and this is one that can be supported. Now, does it mean that this stock, this company, is going to make you a millionaire? I'm not going to say that. It's possible, because if they get support on a sustained level, I'm talking about year after year, then of course this company and their stock price being at $8.71, you could easily see it going much higher if they're able to expand and they really obtain support on a consistent level. But they also have to make good business decisions. They also have to make great investments, and they have to be included in big deals when it comes to development, when it comes to building businesses. They have to be a big part of building communities. So again, Carver Bank, I'm not here to say that they're great or if they are bad, but I will say that they are seeing a lot of support. If you're looking to invest in black businesses, especially with the stocks, that you're gathering right now, I would say Carver is one to consider. Again, CARV on NASDAQ. They're trading for about $8.71 right now as of today. It could be $7 tomorrow, could be $9 tomorrow. We're going to see. But ultimately, this is a company that, again, has shown a history of supporting black communities, black businesses. They employ black people. They're run by black people. So if that's what you want to invest in and that's your motive, why not go for it? If you're looking at them solely from a financial standpoint, you're not looking at them as a black-owned business, but you're looking at them from a financial standpoint, they're on the uptick. Will that sustain throughout 2020 into 2021? We're going to have to see. There's nothing that's really going to indicate much to us on how well they'll do in the next 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. But they're doing good now. So it's up to you. History says that when you see trends like this, if they last, it's worth getting in. Some people are going to get out quickly. But if you're in this to really support black businesses, if you're really in this to make sure that black businesses thrive, why not invest in Carver? It seems like a worthy investment to me. And in terms of, again, structure, you're talking about a company that not only has seen several black CEOs and presidents, we've also seen several black women CEO and presidents, not just black men. And that says a lot. All right, tell me what you think in the comment section. Will you invest? Are you looking to invest today? Are you participating in blackout and investing in black businesses today? This is one. Me, I'm looking at investing on a sustained level, not just on 1 day or 2 days, but maybe you choose a day, which is better than what you did before. Either way, let me know what you think in the comment section, and I appreciate your support. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, okay? Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. We want people to be informed. It's important that when we invest, at least we know at least some surface level numbers, on these companies. So make sure you share this, make sure you like this, make sure you comment, and I appreciate your support. I will be doing another video shortly. I know it took me about a week or so to put out this second video, but a third video is coming very shortly. We'll see if we stick with finances or real estate. We're going to see which direction we're going to go. But as of now, I'm just telling you, stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications.